So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and make our 4 foam soaps. Oh yeah, how to make foam cleansers. And oh yeah, get those pesky price tags off of your bottles, because people are gonna think, oh my god, it's only $4.95. Like, no, that's how much I spent for the bottle. Or it's $2.99 or $1.99. No, voila, here we go. So we unscrew the cap. And again, I love foam cleansers the best. I love regular cleansers, but you know, for right here, I'm just saying you can use oil in it, but you don't have to. The pump does all the work. Back in the day, pumps, you had to use a little bit of oil to make it thicker to come out as a foam, but now you don't need to. You're gonna use your Castile soap, some red dye, or any dye of your choice. This is what I use to make dragon's blood, and hence blood is red. So here, yep, you need just regular water. So these 3 ingredients. So the dye, your soap, and your water, pretty much. And then the item you're gonna fill it up with is the small bottle that I just used to take off that sticker. I just picked it up. So this is just your cap, your measuring cap. The cap that comes with the bottle, you're gonna take it off, and this measures perfectly. You only need a cap full. Leave a little bit of space at the top. Don't overfill, please don't. Leave a little bit of space at the top. Trust me, you only need 1. That's what I'm saying. 1, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. All that good stuff. I know Spanish. I know the lingo. Poquito. I know a little bit. Bean jamín is loco en la cabeza, or el cabeza. I don't know. So right now we poured the soap in, Castile soap. Now you can use non-scented or scented. I'm using the non-scented one, but I love using the rose water one, or the rose, I think it's rose hip seed. Oh man, it smells so good. But this is just something for somebody who doesn't want any type of scent. But the Castile soap, it still smells like refreshing. Like it's like, what the hell? This is like a good like soap, even without it being like a floral type of soap. But you still smell like freshness for some reason. I'm like, wow, okay, it's good stuff. So you're doing 1 to 2 drops. That's all I'm saying. 1 to 2. I always use 2, but we're gonna use 1. See how powerful it is. So this is just food coloring. It will, if you get it on your sheets, it will come off. It's just food coloring. It is not a dye. It is not something that's going to permanently change your linens. If you were to rub it on somebody's face and take it off with white towels, no, it will come right off. I've never had a problem. Again, it's food coloring. Food coloring is meant to eat and put into your food, okay? It's not going to turn your intestines red or green or blue and alien. So here, just giving it a little bit of shake, shaking, not stirring. I mean, stirred, we are shaking. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do about 8 to 10 side to sides, and it's mixed. That's all you need to do. That's it. All right. So now we have mixed. People are like, oh my God, what is in the bread? What is that? Like, yes, it's dragon's blood. In a good way. The dragon didn't die. We didn't kill, like in Game of Thrones the last season. Like, no. Them dragons died horribly. I'm like, man, what the hell? But Khaleesi still made them people pay. She made them, that city. She had no mercy. She showed no mercy. And that's why we give it the name dragon's blood. Because you take blood from a dragon, it's going to have no mercy on you if it survives and comes back upon you and roasts you up real good. Barbecue ribs. That's right. So dragon's blood is a good thing. Because the dragon's blood is a healing. It can bless you. It's a whole thing. You have to look it up yourself. So look, I'm saying I'm going to put in a 2nd drop so you can see how red it turns. And you can add 4 drops, 8 drops, 10 drops, 11, whatever you want to do. But I normally just use 2 drops. It's good enough for me. Yep, put it in there, stir it on up like Kool-Aid. That's right. Remember that red Kool-Aid? You put all that sugar in there, and we got diabetes and all types of craziness as we speak later on. Thank God I don't have that crap thing. Jesus. My mom whooped us if we drank too much Kool-Aid, like for real. So look, it's all nice and, ooh, what is that? It's the Star Wars soap. It's a red lightsaber soap. Yeah. You can market it as however you want to. You know, trademark pending. Don't get caught up. Don't be saying it's Star Wars soap on your labels, because you might have to contact George Lucas first and Disney to get that type of approval, because we don't want to be sued. You see, it's nice and red and bright. Oh yeah, people ask, like I said, they do. Why is it red? How'd you make it? Don't tell people shit. You paid for this course. They did not. You sell this. They don't know how to make it anyway. So even if you did tell them, come on, unless they signed up for this course, they know. Now, that's Dragon's Blood. So now this one, I want to smell. I want to indulge, basking in the ambiance. I want to feel like I'm at the spa, but I'm at home in the kitchen cooking. But anyway, so yeah. Wash that out. That's just the cap. So the cap it comes with, I always use as a measuring. And I'm going to show you how to measure even if it doesn't come with a cap. And it's easy. Oh yeah, and I forgot. Add your product label. My label has a QR code, so once you scan it with your phone, it shows you how to use it. It goes straight to a video. It says, hey, this is how you use soap on your face. This is how you wash your ass. Oh yeah, this is how you do your taxes. It's like, no, I don't do all that, but it shows you how to wash your ass and face at the same time. Oh yeah, that's another video. With the QR code, yep, with your phone, just like that, how it sounds. And yeah, put your product label on it. Oh, I put it upside down. Jesus. Don't make that mistake. I made that rookie mistake years ago, and I still made it in this video. Isn't that crazy? All right, so now that you got your product label, people can find you. They scan the QR code. They know they go straight to your website. Oh man, they buying other stuff. That's how you do it. Okay, yeah. So here we got the yellow, even though it looks red, but it's potent. That's what I'm trying. That's why it turns red. You'll see in just a moment. This is citrus. Citrus is always a good cleaner for the face. Oh yeah, you add that. Yeah, don't be afraid. Get in there. Yep. I should have added a little bit more. I don't know what the hell's wrong with me. But anyway, yep, pour it on in there. It's already golden in itself, but it's gonna get really, really golden in just a moment once we add the coloring in the water, or the water in the coloring. Either way, we're gonna be good to go. So yep, tappy, 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 tap, 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 tapping at it. Yep. So you get as much product as you can off. Add the water. Add the liquid. The water's the blessing. Thank God for water. Water is awesome. Jesus. So now we're gonna add in 2 drops. 2. But you can add as many as you want to. You can make it super gold. The only reason I don't make it so super bright and colory, because it does come off in water super easy. But if you make it too thick or too colory, it might stain for a little bit. You have to do a double cleanse, triple cleanse, quad cleanse, cinco cleanse, all that good stuff. So yeah, you're not trying to do the ultra cleanse. That's a lot of cleansing just to get off something that you probably shouldn't have put too many drops. So now we're good to go. See how golden it is? Man, put your label on. Look, hey. Yeah, here we go. Grab the label. Come on, man. Stop taking your time. Okay. 3, 2, 1, you're done. Let's get it on there. All right, so you put it on. Make sure your label's correctly labeled this time, not upside down. They can scan it on their phone. Oh my God, what is this? So yeah, you don't even want people knowing what it is. You want to have mystery. It's almost like having an Asian or Chinese writing. You don't know what the hell those writing. Every time you go to get some Chinese food, do you even know what the language is? Do you even know what that's saying? It could be saying, hey, we are, I don't know, but it's probably saying something, and I don't want to get in troubles because I love my Chinese food. I love my Asian peoples. We all one people. We black. We all black. But anyway, so yeah, you want to keep it a mystery. And I wish I could put some Asian writing on there. I'm like, yeah, y'all don't know what the hell I'm putting on here. And yeah, you keep it mysterious and just have a QR code and let them go to your website and find out, oh yeah, it's just citrus, which is literally just lime, lemon, some spurts of orange, and a lime, or I'm sorry, regular lemon and lime, and orange added together is citrus. Or it's just basically the rind peeling from the orange, or the rind from the lemon, or the rind from the lime, and that's your citrus. The most potent form of the citrus is not the inside of the fruit. I hope you guys know that. It's good for making foods and stuff, but making product is the rind. The rind holds the most aromatic or scent inside, or actually the compounds or fighters for detoxifying the face or inside of the body is through the rind. Okay, so that's how you really get citrus anyway. So put it all together, put it down, and now this one for the nose. If you're running a cold or fever, you can't breathe, you're having sinus issues, summertime, that pollen, you know, that yellow shit that be all up on your car. Like, what the hell? I just washed my car. But yeah, I got this bee shit all up on my car. Well, it's not from bee, it was pollen. I don't know. Bees be fucking or something like that, and the pollen comes and, oh man, it proliferates all on your fucking car. And it's like, shit. So yeah, this one is gonna be eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is always, you can pour this in your shower. And the next one we're gonna talk about too is in the shower too, and it opens up all those pores. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Okay, so right here to measure, if you don't have a cap, the one bend in your finger, the second bend, the little 2 lines in your finger, just go from the top line to the second line, and voila, you have the same cap full that you had if you had a cap. It's the easiest way to measure things because the lines on our fingers actually are like a centimeter or an inch apart from each other, and it gives you like a perfect inch every time. So if you needed to do like a 4-inch, you would just do 3 lines and plus another line, that would be 4 inches. We'll talk about that in a later class at another time, of how to measure things without measuring cups and shit like that. So here, oh man, it's like the luck of the Irish. Only I'm not Irish, so you figure it out. But yes, the leprechaun juice. Say no, it's not the leprechaun juice. We don't need that fool coming up in here talking about, hey, you know, you stole my gold. You know, that fool's crazy in the movie. You know, leprechaun in the hood and everything. In space, he was in space. Him and Jason. So how do fools get to space? How they get there? But see, right here, eucalyptus, you'll need 2 drops. Drop it on in there. The smell already comes, it's like permeating. It's like, oh, whoa. I can breathe again. Good for your nostrils, lungs, all that good stuff. Cough, cold. Yeah, put that in the shower. Something like, open up all those pores. Yep, shake it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, yeah. Green. Yes. We love the money. It's that money cleanser. Yes, you tell the client, like, hey, you need that money. You need that good money tree luck. But it's just in the soap. We're gonna bless you. We all gonna get that money. Yeah, it turns green. Now my camera doesn't do it justice because my light that I have open with the blinds is so bright, it won't show you the darkness of it. So that's why you would have to add in at least 2 more drops to really see the full green, or I would have to shut the blinds and then you can see the full effect of the green. People love it. You know, St. Patrick's Day coming around. Oh yeah, we're gonna drink, be merry, and get a facial. That's right. And then maybe later on get another facial, but that like a good one, not a bad one. Get your mind out together. Shh, let's calm down, let's move on. So now our 4th mixture, or actually this is the 3rd mixture. Oh, this is the 4th. Sorry, we already did green, we did yellow, we did red, dragon's blood. So now we're moving on to our blue, and this is going to be our peppermint. You can add this in the shower too. Seriously, spray a couple pumps at the base of your shower and just breathe it in at your feet. Woo! You can use this as a foot cleanser, face cleanser, body cleanser, whatever you need. Yes, put it in your hair. It's like, yeah, better than Selsun Blue. All that good stuff. And it's blue. So, yeah. But I'm not competing against them. I'm not saying that they're bad. Just saying, it gets all the types of damages up out of your hair. Add that water. So you added the soap, you add the water. Don't fill it all the way up. Just fill it right at that brim. Now we're gonna add in 2 drops. 1, 2. Oh yeah, and it mixes perfect. Look at that. Look at the potion. That's right. And you smell that the peppermint is very strong. It's all concentrated, so that's why I said you only need 1 cap. If you add in 2 caps, you're gonna see it's too foamy. It's like you'll start to run out of the bottle within a month, like easily. 3 weeks to a month. But these bottles will last you at least 3 to 4 months. I don't know how many pumps you're pumping on somebody's face, but you only need, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's like 25 or 26 pumps. And you get all of that. Like seriously, this should not be gone within 90 days, 3 months. That's why I love foam cleansers. Foam cleansers last a very long time, especially if you don't use a lot of product. In a 1 to 2, maybe a triple cleanse type of situation, you're using maybe 10 pumps. You're not using the 25 that I just showed you. That's a lot of soap. And when you put it on the person's face, yeah, unless you're gonna have to put soap in the nose and ears and have it running down the chin, no. You need about 4 to 5 pumps on one cleanse alone. And see, it's good to go. What I mean is forehead, cheek, chin, and then décolleté. So that's 5 pumps. That's all you need. That's all you need. You can get away with 4 actually, and be good to go. So here you go. Yep. Power Ranger colors. Oh yeah. All of them. So yep. You are good to go. Be blessed and do great things.